Hey everyone, this is Manusatwik Malampati from IDC 6460 Cloud Analytics class. And we are the team 2 and our project for the course, what we are doing is stock data prediction and visualization using SageMaker and QuickSight of Amazon Web Services. Let me start with the agenda here. As you can see, our main agenda is introduction, the services which we are using, the architecture diagram, how the system is processing, the code snippet, and the working model, and the pros and cons of our project, and what we have learned from this project. Introduction. Yeah, predicting and visualizing the historical and live data of the stocks helps every businessman to take informed business decisions. So we believe that predicting stocks is like um, it helps us investors to understand and manage risks. We have imported the data from Yahoo Finance for data authenticity and integrity. The services which we have used are AWS S3 buckets. S3 buckets are used for they are simply referred as simple storage services. It is used to store the data, any files or any data into the buckets in the form of buckets. And RDS is a relational database service. RDS is used to store enormous amount of data which can be scaled automatically in AWS. And here SageMaker acts as both a studio and as a notebook and instances. We can automate the analytic stuff using the SageMaker. We can pipeline the data into the SageMaker Studio to create a instance where we can automatically run the program and output the data. And QuickSight is used to visualize the data which has been cleaned, scraped, and analyzed in the SageMaker. Yeah, as you can see the architecture diagram here, we scrape and collect loads of data from all the click streams, sales orders, IoT, or any other financial data, or any other open sources. And that data is sent to the Amazon RDS, which is an operational database. It is used to store the data, where the data can be transferred, manipulated, and cleaned. Anything can be done there. Then we pipeline the data into the SageMaker, where the program is automated in the SageMaker Studio, and the output is again then stored back to the S3 bucket, and the output result is then pushed into the QuickSight for the visualization of the data. Visualization helps to convey the message very easily to the customer or the any service user. Here is the code snippet. Here you guys can see we have used the ticker NVDA. NVDA is a ticker for NVIDIA. Yeah, NVIDIA is a uh, processor and electronics company. Here we have downloaded the NVIDIA data as a ticker from Yahoo Finance. Um, we have downloaded the max amount of historical data till yet, and we have used the ARIMA model. Uh, ARIMA is a model from machine learning, which is used which is used for the time series or the prediction of the data or any live streaming activities. Auto regression, moving average. I guess yeah, that's the name for ARIMA. As you guys can see, we have put the order at 100. It's a basic order for ARIMA. And we have used the forecast algorithm here to forecast the data, the predictions which we have done. We have added 200 plus steps to forecast the data from the data we have. And over to Rohit.
Yeah, hello. My name is Devapriya Rohit. Coming to my part, I was about to say this pros for this project. There are many pros, but we have added some of the pros right here. Um, Coming to this project, it is very easy to use. Even those with little knowledge also can easily know about it, and it has some it is also the cost efficient thing we can use in the cloud, and we can use this SageMaker and QuickSight might be this might be less expensive actually, and also like integration with other AWS services is also using this comprehensive stock data and analyzing solution, and using this SageMaker and QuickSight may be readily linked with the other AWS services as well. Like it is also useful in this real time insights. We can say as like this quick shift this also offers the momentum like analyzing and visualizing that will be helpful for using making the quick decisions. Can you go to the next slide, Manu?
Yeah.
Yeah. Coming to the cons, like using cloud services means like it also depending on the third party suppliers, like keeping the infrastructure and also guaranteeing the availability. And sometimes the security dangers, it'll be crucial, and sometimes we don't get the appropriate security measures in the place of safeguarding things. And we can also restrict customers like using the SageMaker and QuickSight. Both of them offers the wide range of functionality. Um, Coming to what we have learned, can you go to the next slide? So um, in this project, like we have gone through the market trend. This may be found in analyzing the past data actually. Like these are the patterns which will be in the trends, can be used in anticipating further performance as well. Like we have identified the potential risks and the benefits and connection to the various companies. We can also compare the between two different companies as well. Like we can also come to a conclusion like quickly judging based on the evidences, like rather in like go with the gut feeling, which will help us to make the better decision. Yeah. Now Manu will be showing the working model of the
Implementation,
project.
yeah, the working model.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So let's open the SageMaker. Here are the, yeah, here are the notebook instances I'm working on. As you can see, okay, my notebook one. Okay, so here is code. We have imported the Y-Finance library as YF. We have imported the pandas as PD. We have yeah, installed all the API functions. Yeah, here is as you can see, we have imported all the plot libraries and the pandas and numpys, and the ARIMA model. So here is a ticker, NVDA. We have downloaded the data directly from the Yahoo Finance ticker. So here is the closing price plot for the NVIDIA. So as you guys can see, so this is market uptrend which has been moving from 2000 to 2023 right now. And this is a plot for the daily returns of the stock price of NVIDIA. Uh, well, we have plotted the closing price and the daily returns, to which helps, these both can help us in predicting the future values. Well, this determines the percentage change, and this is the closing price. And okay, yeah, as I've already explained in the code snippet. So here is a model, the forecast model. Okay, yeah. So these are the forecast values. As you guys can see, so yeah, forecast values start from the column numbers. It's a row. Yeah, it's a row 6056, and from here, we have developed the algorithm to predict the future 200 steps, which are 200 days, or as you can say, 200 values of the stock price. Okay, so here are the forecasted values, which we have derived into a data frame, and and we have updated the data, complete data with the all data frame. You can, okay, so all the data which we have stored here can be moved to a S3 location, one of our buckets, and then directly we can integrate the bucket with the QuickSight for easy visualization. And so here is the QuickSight. Okay. Um, so this is the visualization part of our project. So it started with somewhere around the closing price was $30-40 in here, and you can see the up price in the stock price. In the 2022, the stock price was at 2000, I mean $250 to 40 to 33. And from here is our prediction starts. So from the day, February. Okay, yeah, from here the price, as you can see here, is the price is $180, and it moves upwards, and the prediction value shows it's gonna land. It's the mean prediction value. It's a mean value, so it's predicted with all the data we have, um, with the seasonal statistics which we have used for the prediction. On I'm not sure, but maybe on Jan 26, 2024, the stock price will close at $200. So you guys better hurry up in buying stocks. Okay. Um, we have used the basic model of the services in AWS, so we couldn't integrate it, but we can integrate this whole system. We can pipeline the data into the SageMaker Studio. Okay, yeah, here you can create a studio here. We can pipeline the data into the studio, and the endpoint can be noted back at the SageMaker. So it will be integrated. Here, for this project, we have directly downloaded the data into the code, through the code. We have drawn the data directly through the code. But as you can see, we can scrape the data from any other sources into RDS, as explained in the architecture, and the data will be pipelined into the SageMaker, and output will be saved back again into the S3 bucket, Cloud Analytics bucket. This is the bucket we have been using. So all the predicted values can be saved back in the data location S3 bucket, and we can integrate the S3 bucket directly uh, to the visualization tool QuickSight, and here you can visualize the data to observe the patterns and the um, visual types. Yeah, that is our project. And thank you, Professor, and thank you, guys.
Yeah, thank you. Yes.